Yo, what's up everybody? This is Papa Bale and welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe. Join up if you are interested in pulse motors and what they can do, what they do. This one's going to be gyroscopic, so as soon as I get everything the way it's supposed to be, this will spin this way and this will spin this way. And right now I'm just testing the coil, seeing if it works. I'll show you the coil in just a moment. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on. About 4 volts. Now let's see what we got. So it is working. I want to switch hands here. Alright, so it's a little bit easier to hold it steady with this hand. So the coil works. It's got a trigger strand in it. I want that to work too. So right now we're working off a reed switch. It's a 32 gauge trigger strand. It's going really slow though. I'm having trouble finding the spot with this kind of orientation. Alright, I'm going to try putting it under here like this. Let's see what we can do. Nope. I mean, it's a nice little coil there. With a 45% iron PLA infused core in a wedge shape. So I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. Awesome. So I'm gonna put 2 more of these coils on something like this wood disc right here. I'm gonna hope that the weight isn't too much. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit more. 9.5. Woo! Nice. Wow, that's awesome. 9 volts, ladies and gentlemen. That's freaking cool. Oh, shoot. We had a perma transistor right there. We were pulling 4 amps. I can smell it now. It's over there. See the brown one? Huh. Whew. So we're gonna have to do some resistor magic with these, I'm pretty sure, because they're powerful. I want to set up the. I'm gonna try the trigger coil again. Um, so that should be pretty cool. Let me do that real quick. I'll be right back. All right, so this is my coil design to go with this rotor, and I can either like put opposing sides, do a north-south, or just leave it a north, a monopolar 3 or a bipolar 6, and we are going to see right now whether the trigger coil is going to function the way it is or not. Man, that pole needs to be tightened. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I hooked up the trigger strand and it did not generate enough voltage to trigger, and I was monitoring it. Didn't generate enough voltage to trigger the transistor at 0.5 volts. And it does about 0.25. So about half of what it needs to. So I'm thinking that I'm going to do the 3 coils as I described here. And I'm going to do them bifilar. And I might... No, I'm not going to do that. The bifilar. And then, because this is the trigger strand wrapped into the drive. And we're doing 0.5 amps and 21.1 volts. And look at that thing fly. Good go. Alright, so really what I'm doing, just testing to see if the coil works. And it works. Works pretty good. I probably won't do the double, trigger strand wrapped in there. Probably just do the 20. And then either make a separate trigger coil or use a reed switch like I've been doing. and a transistor. So I think the reed switch and the transistor is a good way to go. We're just gonna have to get this disc free to spin because it's tethered right now, and finish up the coils. Yeah, I think this one's going to be really cool. Even if it is a vertical orientation, um, I think if it works this way, it'll work that way too. So cool. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Peace out. Have a great day. Bye now.